How to fix you not being able to comment on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix you not being able to comment on a TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that you have the fully updated TikTok, and after you do have that, you can open that up. Now, sometimes you can notice that there are some comments, or there are some posts that have their comment section turned off. So make sure that's not the case. After you do that, you will need to check your Wi-Fi connection. Now, the reason that you can't comment on your TikTok can be the result of you not having a stable internet connection. So you can head over to your settings, you can head over to your Wi-Fi settings, you can check for your Wi-Fi, you can disconnect and connect back again, you can turn on and turn off your airplane mode, and after you do all of those stuff and you do have an internet connection, you can just go ahead and try to comment on a TikTok again. After doing that, even if that does not work, you will need to clear the cache for TikTok. So here you can long press on TikTok and there you will see clear cache option. Tap on that and it will start calculating your cache, and after it starts doing that, you can simply clear that up. Tap on clear and you can clear the downloads as well. And after you clear the cache, you can go ahead and comment on a TikTok. And that is basically how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.